the nylon thing. When I always drew my hose, I always just pre-pop them just to make sure it's going. So that does. Not too bad. It's got an adjustable. This spins. It's adjustable. It spins out. You can do the depth here, and the collar inside loosens up. Comes with a case with different fittings, different bits, a little bit stronger. Only thing I say I recommend is the little bolts they have in here, little nuts to hold everything down. Just be careful with those because they're small and they will get lost. Let's see what it looks like. Not bad. It's about about 32 seconds. Not too bad. I need to back off a little bit.
Here's the Countersink drill bit set. As you can see, they're labeled right here on the shank. So you've got a number 4, 6, 8, 2 10s, 2 12s. Comes with the hex screw so that you can adjust the countersink portion to the correct depth. Here's the number 12. Got a good cutting edge there. Oh, you got 3 of them, don't you? I really like that they have this case. That's going to make things nice when it comes time to storing them in between jobs. Does help keep, everything from becoming a mess in my drawer.